Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make this hair bow. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to create my hair bow. I made this hair bow earlier from black cross grain ribbon. Now I'll show you how I make my other hair bow. I'm folding my ribbon in half, like that. And now I'm creating a bow basically same way as I do my shoelace. Next, I'm burning each ribbon edge so they don't fray. Next, I will add elastic. After I have added elastic at the back of the bow, now I'm making a knot on elastic. And I'm cutting excess elastic off. Next, I'm pulling this elastic knot inside the ribbon. My elastic knot is hidden inside the ribbon, it looks like that. Next, I will sew this decorative button on the center of the ribbon. There. And my hair bow ribbons are finished now. If you have any questions how I made this hair bow, please comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.